Wow, they actually bring it to you on a table. Annyeonghaseyo from Korea. Today I'm at a restaurant that has 21 different dishes. It's a Korean restaurant called Papsang. Papsang essentially just means a table of food. And as I mentioned already, this table of food has 21 different dishes. You can count some of them here. Have a look at them all. There's a lot to get through today. We have to start with the rice. This is the rules. You got to take the rice out. When I first came to Korea, someone took me one of these restaurants and they showed me how to do this, and I've done it ever since. Or you take all the rice out, and then they have a little bit of water, of hot water. You pour that in, and then we'll come back to it later. We don't use this just yet. This is for the end of the meal. Now that the rice is ready and it's soaking, let's start to eat. This is bossam, and it was fantastic. Royal bossam indeed. I don't really know the difference. Here's the one I cooked. I tell you, their one tastes a lot nicer than my one did though. I'm not entirely sure what this is. It's sort of a noodle dish with some fresh sort of watercress. You can see some raw fish and 떡갈비 there. And we've got my raw fish. I'm going to dip it in the spicy sauce. The other sauce there is a bit of soy with wasabi. Good. And this one is galbichon, which I made just recently actually. And you can see that's the recipe that I made. Check out my channel. I've got a lot more recipes of things I'm cooking from Korea. And this is the crab. Not my favorite. My wife loves it though. Big bit of octopus there. Sort of 해물볶음, fried octopus. This one is actually mung bean jelly. Some kimchi, made that before. Might put a recipe up soon that shows how to do it. And doenjang, which is delicious. And this one is actually deep fried tofu and mushroom. So what do you do with the rice at the end? Well, now all the water is soaked in and the rice is actually a little bit burnt on the outside. So you end up with this very delicious flavor. Perfect way to end this meal.